You cannot save without the dread, and the dread alone can't save you. Because plenty one may have on the dread don't carry the livity. But dread carries a high divine livity. It doesn't just carry a man, just put on your dread because you feel to put it on.
Now you might be wondering what the word livity means. It's a spiritual concept. In Rastafari, it's a concept of righteousness, ever-living life. It's the essence that the realization of energy is life force, conferred by Jah, that exists within and flows through all people and living things.
But you must know your cause and purpose why you are put it on. Whenever time that you put on your dread, you must know that you're the one that is here to edify another one. You're one that is here to live a clean life among the people. You're one that is here to show the people what is wrong from what is right. So you must always convert your heart, or the Locs itself, according to the Psalm 109 teacher, by your precepts, you shall not be wiser than your teachers. So I see that and I, who really walk within such field of always encouraging one-on-one, coming in the fullness, that you must be a person of a meek humility.
And when it comes down to it, dreadlocks and having locks as your lifestyle is the community in itself. It's a feeling of fellowship with others as a result of sharing common attitudes, interests, and goals. And quite definitely we are doing this within the Loc community, sharing with each other our goals and our beliefs and our interests as Lockheads ourselves.
You must be a person of a charity heart. You must be a person of a loving spirit. For Locs mean love. Locs don't mean hatred.
In terms of having a loving spirit, this just comes down to accepting the love that is the energy around us and within us. And realizing that without love, the world will not evolve. Locs are love. And we must spread this love that we grow from ourselves amongst every being that we touch.
Locs mean a great graduation to rise us up in the ancient time as a saintical people of the Most High. And without your Locs, you cannot stand up as a saint of the Most High. And without your Locs, a man can't call you Rasta. If you don't have on your Locs, no man call you Rasta. Being on the journey in those early days, and sometimes man through talking, he will give you a name, brother man. Yet him not have on no Locs. The man will call him brother man, but him not have on no Locs. These are the things now that they feel really plenty one that step out in this field today and really put on Locs, then really just put on a hairstyle. It is not a hairstyle, it's a reality to rise our people, to rise ourselves from the hands of the enemy. You see, for his glory, it shall cover the earth as water cover the sea.
And with that said, to be a person of livity, it basically means to walk around with a conscious view of life. Be aware that the surroundings around you are full of life itself, and that we are one. We are one love with that life.
That the saints of the Most High are exiled people, according to the enemy, like we are in exile. And I see the value of that. Touching to the history, Ethiopian histories and all those type of things there, when I observe, I see that every patriarch coming through the ages walking that manner. So your Locs is really an example. Marcus Garvey said, Marcus gone, Garvey gone, but Marcus will here. So we are the mark man, you can see afar and see the mark man by the name of the Almighty. We just walk through those streets and spread this good. And today, I give thanks to see that the Locs cover the earth.
And lastly, growing our Locs is the greatest of graduations that we will achieve in our life, because it's going to allow us to rise up from the past that we once were, before we realized our true selves, before the Loc game was real. So rise up, my youths. Rise up to our highest selves, and let's continue to spread knowledge and wisdom of peace and love and light on this journey. Yaga.